Tiny Bougie once again. So do I. You know what? You think we're all just sweating like get rid of the beer belly, but it just won't go anywhere. But then again, I have worked hard for it, haven't I? I really have. Hold on a second. Listen, we've done new songs and songs we haven't played in many, many years. And what we'd like to do for you right now is do a song, the very first song we and Flogging Molly recorded together. Okay, many years ago. This is a little thing goes a little bit like. Take our fucking time. Turn around and take a fit, like the demon straight from hell. Almost anyone is hell, like the fall of victory. Give it till you fell asleep. around your neck, the what you got to do to let the your father's down close. I'm in my company house, broken up the danger, I'm here in this house, in case you haven't noticed, I need a book of swing and sing.